Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the most exciting performance smartphones of 2026, the iQOO 15T. This phone is making headlines because it combines a powerful flagship processor, a massive battery, a stunning 2K display, and a crazy 200 megapixels camera setup. So the big question is this the ultimate flagship killer? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the iQOO 15T looks premium and aggressive, just like a true performance flagship. It features a sleek body with a metal frame and a modern camera module design that gives it a bold appearance. The phone also comes with IP68 and IP69 water resistance, which means excellent protection against water and dust. Despite packing a huge battery inside, iQOO has managed to keep the design relatively slim and comfortable in hand. Overall, the design feels premium, durable, and clearly built for power users. Now let's talk about the display, because this is one of the biggest highlights. The iQOO 15T features a massive 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. That means you get super smooth scrolling, ultra-responsive gaming, crisp visuals for videos and movies. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly fluid. Whether you're gaming, watching YouTube, or scrolling social media, this display delivers a flagship-level experience. Now here's where the iQOO 15T becomes seriously impressive. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Monster Edition chipset. This processor is designed for heavy gaming, multitasking, and flagship performance. You also get LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, dedicated gaming optimizations. So whether you're playing BGMI, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, or multitasking between heavy apps, this phone should handle everything effortlessly. Thermal management also looks promising, which is great news for gamers. Moving to cameras, the iQOO 15T packs a powerful setup. On the back, you get 200 megapixels main camera, 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera. That 200 megapixels sensor should capture excellent detail, better low-light shots, and sharper zoom images. For selfies, there's a 16 megapixels front camera. Video recording also gets strong support, making this a good option for content creators and mobile photographers. So yes, this phone isn't just about gaming, it also brings serious camera power. Battery life is another major highlight. The iQOO 15T comes with a gigantic 8000 mAh battery. That is absolutely massive. For most users, this could easily deliver full-day heavy use, or even nearly 2 days with moderate usage. And when you need charging, you get 100W fast charging. That means less waiting and more gaming, streaming, and productivity. Battery anxiety? Probably not with this phone. So, should you be excited about the iQOO 15T? Absolutely. The iQOO 15T offers checkmark flagship performance, checkmark stunning 2K 144Hz display, checkmark massive 8000 mAh battery, checkmark powerful 200 megapixels camera, checkmark premium build quality. If iQOO launches this at aggressive pricing, the iQOO 15T could become one of the best value flagship smartphones of 2026. But now I want to hear from you. Would you buy the iQOO 15T? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.